Alright, so, we coming along, buddy?
Yeah, no.
Now, what do you got going on in there?
A stupid nail that they could put in easily, but not think they can get it out.
They probably used a nail gun to get in there. So,
Or just a nail.
No, don't nail it in. We need it out. Go get the needle nose. Needle nose pliers.
Wait, are they in there?
Yep, they should be over there.
Why are they?
Ah, that's all chipped up already, and that's not something I did.
What?
This shelf. I know we're going to try and save some of the material, but back over here in the dark area, there's a chip in the back. Put the needle. No, baby, no. Stop. Don't just try and rip. Take your hammer. There you go. Now,
Put it here.
right there.
It says 11.
Use it as a lever. Very good. Smart move. You have to squeeze and then push down on it. Good job. You got it.
Ow.
Oh, what happened? You okay?
There.
Oh, you got it on your hammer? Let me see your finger. Oh, good soft scratch. It's not bleeding though. Let me see. Okay, go. Good job getting back into it after scratching yourself. Yeah, you did good. Do you want me to get in there?
No.
You can rest. It's okay. Whoop.
Oh, that's so easy.
Let's get this flashlight out, boy.
Oh, I see a nail staple thing.
Hold on, buddy. Hold on. I see another nail right there in the center there.
Wait.
Right over there. Right in the center. On that edge.
Oh, right there.
Yeah, right there.
And that's a staple, but I'm trying to get at that
Okay.
staple.
But do you want me to hit it from underneath? No, not with the hammer. Not with the hammer. Alright. No.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, don't drop the screwdriver.
It's gone. I'm trying to get out this piecey.
You're going to get that piece in the back?
No, yeah. Probably pin nails. They can break
Can you
easily.
just push it behind that piece? No. On the other side. On the side you were on. Just kind of pry it behind there. Just push. No, don't swing it outwards. You'll scratch it. Just push in behind it to get it to move out.
No.
No? Here, do you want Daddy to do it?
I can probably
No.
get it here.
No, there's nothing from that side that will pull those nails out.
Maybe up here.
Oh, you got it. You did. Keep going down. Now work your way down. No, don't scrape the wood. Work your way down. Like twisting like that, yeah. Don't use it like a knife. There you go. Twist it. Get to a nail and twist. Go down to the next one. Good job.
Yeah, no, those are...
Go down to the next one. Keep working your way down. Oh. There you go. Go
These
down
are
to the
some
bottom one.
long...
Bottom one.
Or, well, those are actually staples.
There you go. See? Look at that. Watch your eyes under there. Get as close to that corner as you can.
Oh!
All right, get out of there. What happened?
Hit right there, but it's nothing.
All right, let Daddy get in, baby.
Oh, my neck hurts.
Oh, it does. Here, you take the phone.
Okay.
Okay, so because it's in that back corner,
Yeah.
instead of
I
using the
was
bottom of my
doing that.
palm, I'm going to
I
use
was doing
like
that.
this.
Can I do this side?
That's already done. I just need to figure out how to get it out of there. Hey, you're holding the camera upside down and stand over there.
We could just cut it. Like
We're not
in
going to
half.
cut it. We're not going to cut it because we need to use it.
I think.
But it's thin. Oh, look. This is why it was so tough coming up. There's
No.
actually a piece of wood that broke off of the bottom.
It's fine.
Well, we'll see. And we want to reuse it.
I can't get it out.
Yeah, but we're just starting to try. What do you mean?
Well, we don't have enough depth.
You don't have enough depth. That's a good way to
turn
look at
it.
it. To turn it, you're right.
Or we could just bend it.
It could bend it, but it's taller. It's deeper than the height, which means when I go to turn it, it has nowhere to turn. But we need to take these
We could just hit them in.
shelves out anyway.
We could just hit them down with my hammer. Oh no!
No, dude. Relax. Step back. Let me look. All I was doing was sliding tools out so I can stick my head in. You started jumping on the fact that you thought I was going to hit something. Okay. So it's screwed in the back. It's not screwed to this front piece at all. Just some staple. Oh, that's what it is. It's stapled into it. So we gotta
hit them down.
No, I'm just gonna take the screws off the back of this shelf and then pry it down, and the staples will probably pop off. Okay. Do you want to do the screws, or do you want me to do it?
Yeah. What type?
It's the same square bit.
Nope. You are.
Okay.
I do not like that.
Okay. Okay. So look back here. You get screws across the back. Look at that. The factory had completely destroyed that corner.
Oh yeah, that did.
Alright. There's a nice little spider web in here.
What's this spider web?
There was. Okay. So I need to take this back trim off to get this to move. Where's that screwdriver at, Bubby?
Oh, it's right here. It's a relic or a flathead. Same thing as the side that I did.
So, this whole thing should dip down. No staples holding that side on? Nothing holding that side on, huh?
I think they just did it with pressure.
Oh yeah, they probably did just do it with pressure. We don't need... Or let me see if it gets out this way a little easier.
Oh, it's going good.
See? Alright, so...
Take out the
We
hammer.
still got this board where the hammer is, and I think what we're going to do is let you go crazy with the hammer.
And smash it off.
Smash it down, but don't hit the dark wood, only the light wood.
Okay. Let me do it. Let me be crazy with it. And hold the camera.
I will. Let me make sure this is going to work like I think it is first, though. So I want to screwdriver behind here. Yeah, I mean, Daddy can pop this whole thing off with because it's just stapled on.
Time to go crazy.
I know you do. Just gonna get it loose a little bit so you don't
Smash everything.
smash everything. Yeah.
It's a small hammer, but it's all mine.
Let me see what you got going on. All right.
Let me hit down.
Oh, don't. There. A little bit more. No, not on the wood. There you go. Good job.
Boom!
Stop the screaming. We're in a small space. We're not outside right now. All right. Hey, do you remember how we did the last one?
Yes,
We had to have the bottom all the way on the floor. Nope, don't scrape it on the side. Go straight up. Can you go put that over there?
Everywhere.
By the bathroom door. Somewhere over there. And then we got to clean up all these screws, start our cleanup process before we go into the next day. Actually get in there and unscrew them from the back side on the sides.
Wait, I want to see.
Yep. Get your hat out of the way. There you go. I can see much better. So you see that? So then we can get a screwdriver in there and unscrew them from the
There's
sides.
a spider egg.
There's the spider eggs in there, yeah. Well, we'll figure that out. So we can get all that unscrewed without having to cut it. And the only cut we'll have to make is
All the boards.
no, it's only right down here. Do you want to hold this while Daddy gets in there?
Sure.
Can you like tap on the screen to see if it'll focus?
Focus.
Ooh, there is a spider sack in there. Yuckies.
Oh, now it just focused.
Very good. Alright, that's out.
We already got two things.
Yeah, we got two things
We
out.
got two woods out. No, just kidding.
Then we'll take this one.
Is your back hurt from doing that?
My back hurt now. What, should it?
No, from leaning on this.
Oh, I'm not leaning on it. I'm using my tummy muscles to lift my back up so it's not actually down on that.
No. Oh, you're taking at the top? What type of screws are they?
Well, they're
Kind of
the square head, and they're referred to as pan head screws. So